really see? I don't know. See, I don't know if this was photoshopped or what. Somebody tell me in the chat because I don't know. But if this is not this, let's think about this shit. If this is not photoshopped, I just want you to understand how crazy this is. If it's not, if it is, then okay, my bad. If it's not, then hey, telling you right now, this is different. I don't know. So I'm waiting for y'all in the chat to let me know if it's real or not, because I don't know. I just seen it across my timeline, and I was like, what the fuck? Nah, Rashawn said, nah, it's real. Hell nah, boy. See, there's no way this could be real. I don't know. Somebody tell me. Because I was like, damn, is this real? Say, we in 23. What in the world is going on? Okay, they said, Laugh Out Loud Dreams say this. They were commercials. What the hell? Why didn't I see these commercials, dog? I don't know why I didn't see them. Matthew said it's real. John keep lying. Y'all niggas funny. I don't know if it's real. So now let's just think what the hell? Why if this is real? Who the fuck are these niggas? We're in 2023, right? You don't do that. It's just common sense right now. You don't dress up as a black man, as a female. You know this. What are they doing? Like, you don't do that. No. So what kind of conscious thought could be running through your mind to say, okay, I'm going to be a black man. Okay, I'll put on that wig. God damn. Where is your mind if you actually believe that you can do that as a black man? You got to be crazy than a motherfucker to think. That means you got to think where their mind is at for them to have the ability to do that if this is real. And everybody's saying it's real. Their mind must be in such a low space, such a zombie place that they can't even creatively or consciously think for themselves. They can't think for themselves because they're zombies. They're automatons, right? They're robots for the system. They're Agent Smiths for the system, right? Just like your family members. They're Agent Smiths for the system as well, right? Your family members telling you to go vote or go get the jab or whatever, right? They're Agent Smiths, so you just got to pay them no mind, right? And just keep rocking your shit. Keep doing your shit. You feel me?